Yo, we back again. 3 Live Cinnamon Challenge Part 2.
Yeah, my dumb ass was unsuccessful.
I gotta do it. Gotta do it. Gotta do it for 3 Live. Here you go.
I did that shit with my eyes.
Look at them tracks. A little bit more, don't be scared. A little bit more, cover that spoon up like me. There you go.
Alright. Hold on. Let me fill this spoon up. Everybody sit. There you go. Hold up. You put some water right here. Just in case I get the umdwelly.
I don't know what the umdwelly means. That means the shakes.
Put this shit right here. There you go.
First take. Don't bluff like me.
This shit is crazy.
It's the red.
Here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
1, 2, 3.
Wait.
You ready?
Count them down.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then swallow it. She did it. Swallow that shit before it get moist. She did it. Oh my goodness. How that shit is dry there? Yo. You let that shit get moist, V8. Yeah, had to be. She got a spank reorder. Oh my goodness, how did she do that, you guys? Do she like hot stuff?
Yeah, motherfuckers, that's how you do the Cinnamon Challenge. 3 Live, brought to you by 3 Live.